Hey guys, it's Prince here, and today as you can see I'm going to show you how much time it takes to fully charge Huawei Mate 10 Lite from 0 to 100. I will turn on the phone first to show you the battery. And this is Huawei original charger that came with the phone. So let's plug it in. And it says battery is empty, it will shut down in 30 seconds. Battery extremely low, 1%. So let's power off the phone and begin the charging process. This will be a true test about how much time it takes exactly to charge this phone completely. And the charging is started. Let me speed up 5000% for you so you won't get bored watching. At 23 minutes, it's at 24%. And now 37 minutes and exact 37%. "57 minutes now and 55% battery." And now 1 hour and 4 minutes passed, it's at 62%. Looks like increasing 1% per minute. And keep in mind that's the original charger. So I'm going to leave it to fully charge and let's speed up again. One hour 43 minutes and it's at 90% now. One hour 54 minutes and it's at 95% now. Two hours 8 minutes and it's at 98%. It's taking so long to charge now. And seems things getting slower now. 2 hours 16 minutes and still at 99%. 2 hours 19 minutes and still at 99%. It's at 100% now. So this is a true test of battery charging time, and my cam took almost 128 GB of SD card to record this long video. 2 hours 19 minutes, it's actually a long time to charge a phone, and this phone doesn't support fast charging. And the charger is original. It has output of 5 volts 2 ampere. I don't know if you guys can see this in detail. My next video will be experiment of charging this Huawei Mate 10 Lite with Samsung original fast charger. Yes, this phone doesn't support fast charging, but we will see what happens when we charge it with a Samsung fast charger. 5 volts 2 ampere. And you can see the difference here. Definitely don't miss the unboxing video of this Mate 10 Lite graphite black phone. I will link it in the description. And also bought this mid case. And I think I deserve a like and subscribe for making a video of around 100 GB, and I'm sure it will take many days to finish editing. And hit that like and red subscribe button. Stay tuned for the next video and peace out.